Hello everyone, welcome back. How you are doing today? Hope you're doing well. I'm going to be showing us how to make a kimono jacket, a line kimono jacket with wide sleeve. I'll be making use of 4.5 yards of African print. And let's go ahead and then fold our fabric. I'll fold my fabric into two this way. I'm folding it this way into two. I will fold it again into four. I have my fabric folded into four. The length of my dress is 62 inches plus hemming allowance. So go ahead and place the measurement. I will measure from my shoulder to under bust measurement. So mine is 15 inches. Mark 15 inches. I will mark 3 inches for the neck width. I'll mark 1.5 inches for the back depth. I will connect it. I'm not adding any shoulder slope because I'm not cutting the shoulder. Right on this under bust measurement, I will place a quarter of the hip measurement plus 3 inches. A quarter of the hip measurement is 11.5 inches. I will add 3 inches for ease plus 1 inch sewing allowance. That's 15.5 inches. So I'll mark 15.5 inches here. So I'll make my curve here. So right on the line, I just went up 1/2 inch, then make a curve up here. What I'm going to do is to flare the remaining part. Right from my measurement here, I will place my ruler like so. Take it all the way to the length. I'm making a light kimono jacket. I'll flare it out to the length of the kimono. I'll cut the neckline. I'm not cutting this side. So I will make my pockets. I don't want to add in pockets separately on it. I will measure right from my shoulder to my waistline. My shoulder to my waist is 17.5 inches. I will come down 1 inch from the waistline. That's 18.5 inches. So I'll measure 7 inches. I will just curve it like so. I'll make my pocket like so. This is optional. If you like, you can attach it separately. That is why. So if I'm cutting it, I'll cut it like so, all the way to the length. So we'll go ahead and cut it out. I open it up and then position the front neckline on the table. So this is the front part, but I've cut out 1.5 inches already before. So this is the waistline. I will go inside by 1 inch right from the waistline here. I will connect it from the neckline. I'll bring it all the way to the waistline, 1 inch. So I'll just measure this 1 inch all through. I will go ahead and cut it out. I'll be adding to the sleeves part. I want the sleeve to be very long. I use the whole part here. That's the whole shoulder. Sorry, I forgot to mention that the whole shoulder here is 22 inches. Half of my shoulder is 8 inches. So if you minus 8 from 22 inches, you'll be left with 14 inches. 14 inches is my sleeve measurement. I'll be adding extra 11 inches to the 14 inches, making it 25 inches. So I'll place it like so. I'm going to measure my sleeve. So I'm adding extra 11 inches to it. Yep. I will go ahead and open it up. I will join the sleeve together. I'll use half inch to stitch the sleeve. I will repeat the same thing for this side. Guys, I'm done stitching the sleeve. After stitching it, I use 1.5 inches to hem the tip of the sleeve or the arm opening. I did the same thing for the side. So what we are going to do next is I will join the sides together. I will use 1 inch to join the side. Take it to the pocket, bring it here, and take it all the way to the length of the dress. I'll do the same thing for the side. Stitch it with 1 inch all the way to the length of the dress. So guys, I'm done joining the side. And this is the pocket. So next is for us to measure here. I will measure the neckline right from the bottom part here. I'll measure it around. I will measure it, take it to the side, all the way to the length. For the neckline round, I have 135 inches, so I'll be cutting out the collar or the placket. So I cut out 140 inches. I added extra 5 inches to the length. After stitching it, I will trim out the excess fabric. This is the collar. Folded into two is 3.5 inches. I want it very bold. It's 3.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'll look for the midpoint of this. So this is the midpoint of the collar. I will look for the midpoint of the dress. I will just smudge it up like so. This is the back midpoint. I will match it up like so. Right side facing right side. I will use half inch to join it to the neckline. I will stitch it all the way to the length. I will bring this to this side. Stitch it all the way to the length of the dress. After I've done that, I will hem the bottom of the dress with 1.5 inches. I've finished joining the collar to the neckline. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching my video for the first time, you're welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, like. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.